What's the meaning of businessman? Businessman. Businessman.
Businessman. Businessman. A businessman is a person who engages in commercial, industrial, or professional activities with the aim of making a profit. They may own or manage a business enterprise and are responsible for overseeing its operations, including planning, marketing, and financial management. Successful businessmen are often skilled at identifying opportunities and taking calculated risks in order to achieve their goals. They must also be adaptable to changes in the marketplace and able to navigate complex regulatory environments. Overall, being a successful businessman requires a combination of strategic thinking, hard work, and sound management practices.